Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm going to share with you this washi tape haul, and I am super excited because I love these tapes but I never came across working with them. So these are the one that I received. Now I will be sharing with you one by one. Before that, this is their shop card and there is a discount code available if you like to treat yourself. So let's start. I have seen a lot of artists using the washi tape with the resin and different mediums, but I never tried myself. I really love how the designs are. So now I got the opportunity. So let's see the tapes first. So I got their PET tapes, and these are more on the transparent side, and these are not the paper type. So starting off with the first one, I really love how they are packed so nicely and in a very decorative paper. So I need to open them, that's why. So I'm going to open first. And this is how this one looks like, and I just love it. It is such a beautiful tape in a black and white. And this is the other one. So now my challenge is that I'm going to use them with resin, and this is the challenge that how I'm going to use them. So I have few ideas already in my mind, and I'm going to start working with these as soon as I received some supplies that I ordered for these. So this is such a beautiful, again, that black rose. I just always watch all those aesthetic and ASMR sort of washi tape videos, and they are so fun to see when they put them onto the books and create amazing pages. And this is similar to the black one, but this is more of the blue shade, and again it's so lovely. And this one is so pretty, the white roses. And this is my favorite. I really love how lovely the birds are, and there are so many more butterflies, dragonflies, and so much to do with this tape alone. And this is the other one. Beautiful. Those pink poppies, these are poppies, and this is so vintage. I really don't know how I will be going to do justice with them, but I will try some ideas and we will see how those turn out, because the designing of these tapes are really beautiful. Each one of them has been made very carefully, and this is such a beautiful pink rose, perfect for making something tea related. Just look at this one again with the copper shade, hint of that copper tone, and then that blue and the beautiful butterflies. I hope, again, I'm just saying that I do justice to these tapes. So I will link the affiliate link in my description. So if you like to treat yourself, you will buy the tapes at the same price, but it will help me a little bit. So again, if you like today's video, do like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.